Becomes 9 point. All right, a formula for the number of seconds s in any numbers of minutes. S. Okay, so that's the first one that we need to do. We need to write a formula for the number of seconds. It means that depending on the number of minutes. So number of seconds is equal to 60 multiplied by the number of minutes. This is the formula. And we say use your formula in part A to work out S when n is 15. So A is equal to S and B. S is equal to 60 multiplied by 15. Because we are only at 15 minutes, so in 15 minutes, 9. So rearrange the formula in part A to make m the subject. So let's try to do S is equal to m. And if we put n divided by 15, and then let's look at part E. Use your formula in part E to calculate or to work out n when s is 1,350. M is equal to 1,350 divided by 60. And 2. Question number 2. If the formula f equals to n import is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration to work out the value of f when n is equal to 12, a is equal to 5. So a f is equal to 12 times 5. This is multiplication. So no unit here because we don't know what it is, but in physics it is for a force which is measured in Newton. Mass multiplied by acceleration. C force is equal to mass and acceleration. So this one here says we have the value of f, we need to put it to the f, and 2.5. So m is equal to 30 divided by 2. Is equal to n force is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration. A is equal to negative 14 divided by 8. Use the formula V equals to U plus AT. Work out the value of V when U is 7, A is 10, T is 8. So just put in all the values here. So it's actually not that difficult. V is equal to U plus A. V is equal to U plus A. V is equal to U plus A. U plus A. Equal to U plus A. A is So number 4, Amy is X years old. Tom is 2 years older than Amy. Write an expression for Tom's age in terms of X. So Tom's age is equal to we write a formula for total age. Well, I know it's even. Tom's age. E, which is the total, we need to add Tom's age plus anything. Use the formula in part B to work out T when X is 15, so T is equal to 2, 19 plus 2, 38 plus 2, 4 plus U. Rearrange the formula in part B to make X 15. Now we're just going to get T is equal to 2X plus 2. Let's rearrange them here by 2. So this is my, I'm going to make this my subject. I need to isolate it. T minus 2 is 2X. X is equal to T 2. So done reading. So now we need to use the formula in part B to work out X, but T is 48. T is equal to 28 2 divided by 2. Divided by 2. Fine. Adrian buys and sells clothing uses the formula on the right to work out the percentage profit he makes. Work out Adrian's percentage profit on each of these clothing. Now we need to use the formula here to actually find out what is the percentage of profit. So it's given to us here. To find percentage of profit, we need to use selling price minus cost price over cost price multiplied by 100. So that's how we get our percentage of profit. Let's look at A. Selling price minus cost price over cost price multiplied by 100. B. Selling price cost price over multiplied by 100. Over 400. So this is something that you need to pay attention to. Whenever you see something like this, you ought to make sure that it is possible to get a number that is more than 100% because it is already more than its denominator. So 600 divided by 100. So we get it by 100, 125%. So 5.6. In some countries, the mass of a person measured in stones and pounds. The formula to convert the mass from stones and pounds into kilogram is shown opposite. Work out the mass in kilogram of a person with the mass of 10 stones in some pounds. So as you can see, stones, 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 pounds, pounds, pounds. So all you need to do is just replace those numbers with the replace those alphabets with those numbers. Let you get fixed. All you do is you just write K, which is the rate, 5 multiplied by 14 times 10 stones plus 3 pounds divided by 11. So you're going to get 5 multiplied by 143 over 11. So all you do is 143 times 5 divided by 11. 65 11. P. P is equal to 5, 14 times 7 stones plus 10 tons divided by 11. This is the formula, it can't run. So 14 times 7 plus 8. 8 plus 10 is 108. So 108 multiplied by 5 divided by 11. We get 30. P is equal to 5, 14 times 15 plus 1, 11. Divided by 11. Fine. And then the last one, 9 stones. Only 9 stones, so for P, you just have to put 0. So for illustration's sake, I'm just going to write it down like this, plus 0, because there's 0 counts here. Seven. Sasha uses a relationship shown to change between temperatures in degree Fahrenheit and temperatures in degrees Celsius. So that means 30 degrees Celsius is higher than 82 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's very simple, just change one to the other. So for example, it's given here, I like it that Fahrenheit is left behind. So I'm just going to rearrange the formula to make F the subject. 5F is equal to 90 plus 160. So all I need to do is just move the 5 over to the other side. Then I get my answer already in terms of the formula for Fahrenheit. So now I need to input the number 30 for this. I cannot put both because I'm trying to compare. These two are two separate temperatures. So you need to put it this way and find out what Fahrenheit is. What 30 degrees Celsius is in Fahrenheit. What is the heat or what, how hot it is in Fahrenheit. So 9 times 30 is 270 plus 160 divided by 5. You're going to get 86 degrees Fahrenheit. So 30 degrees Celsius is in fact higher than 82 degrees Fahrenheit because 30 degrees Celsius is 86 degrees Fahrenheit, which is slightly hotter than 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, number 8. The doctor uses the formula in the box to calculate patient's body mass index. The patient is described as underweight if the BMI is below 18.5. Okay. Quick note, this one is not really accurate, but you can use it as a general scale. But it has to depend on your lifestyle and what you actually do. All right. So for this one here, you need to see what is the mass given and what is the height. So the BMI formula is actually mass divided by height squared. All right. So let's look at this one here. Tina's mass is 48.8 kilograms. Height is 1.56 meters. Sheet of the weight. Yes or no? Let's just calculate the BMI. A mass divided by height squared. So we can take why? Because it's more than 18.5. Stefan's height is 1.8 and his mass is 68.5. He wants to have a BMI of 20. How many kilograms must he lose to reach the BMI of 20? Okay, so we're talking about weight here. Considering that he cannot go any taller, so let's calculate what BMI is 20 or what is the weight that will cause him to have a 20 BMI. So 20 is actually equal to, I don't know the mass, but I know the height. It's not that I don't want to put in this amount here. It's just that I want to know what is the mass needed to be at 20 BM for a height of 1.8. Let's just calculate it. So we're going to get 1.8 squared multiplied by 2. So M is equal to 64.8 kilograms. So in order to get that, you need to move from 68.5 to 64.8. What we need to do is you just need to subtract 68.5, subtracting this answer, it needs to be 387 to reach 20 BMI.